Wow, a huge thunderstorm. Yep, today I'll show you my view of the thunderstorm. This is gonna be awesome. You can hear the rain in the background. Wow, this will look cool. And I love rainy days. Oh, that's a thunderstorm. Alright, let's put this thing so we can see it closer. Yep, you can see my view of the the storm. Yep, the clouds were dark. Dark clouds only make rain, not white clouds. And I'm doing this in the middle of the dark night. Oh, I can see the flash. So, in the beginning, I put it far away, and now I zoom in, and I'm holding my dad's window, because I want to see it really closer. This is how it's like in person in San Diego. Um, wow, that was a huge storm. All right. Wow, that was really cool. Hey, look all the cars. It was like they're getting dirty. All right, so I'm not sure you're gonna see me, because it it's during the nighttime. So I'm just gonna leave it be. Thanks for watching.